Hello, in this video, I'd like to show you how to visualize your site in relation to Google Map and OpenStreetMap, which you can pull into QGIS as base maps. To start with, let's pull in the Google Map. What we need is, if you have a browser panel here, look for this icon, XYZ tiles. If you do not see your browser panel appearing here, just right-click somewhere on the ribbon, and then you will see all the choices for the panels and check the box for browser panel. Once you see it, click here, XYZ tiles, right-click your mouse, and establish a new connection with Google Map. A dialog box would appear. In the name box, give it a name. Let me just call it Google Map. Here, we need to specify the URL of Google Map where we can pull in to QGIS. So if you go to your web browser and do a Google search for QGIS XYZ tile Google Map, it will have a lot of different websites showing you where that URL is. I just randomly click one. Go down, scroll down, you will see all the URL specified for the XYZ tile in QGIS for the maps, for satellite images, for satellite and hybrid terrain and roads. In this exercise, I will just use the map version. So copy this link, go back to QGIS, the dialog box, enter it or paste it here, and click OK. So if you look at your QGIS site, or your app, you will see Google Map now appearing underneath XYZ tile. Pull this down to the layer panel, and now you see the Google Map right in front of you. In this exercise, let me scroll in, zoom into looking at Toronto, and in particular, I'm interested in the Bayville Village, that particular site, which I know it is around Bayview and Shepherd, close to Highway 401. So scroll up a little bit. This is 401. I see Bayville Avenue right here. Scroll in. Now right here, this is Bayville Village. You might be interested in looking at the building footprints of the neighborhood as well. So what we can do is pull in OpenStreetMap as part of our visualization exercise. To do so, go to Plugins, click Manage and Install Plugins. And I want you to search for Quick Map Surfaces. So if you look for Quick Map Surfaces, it will pop up. Double click that and click Install. And I have already installed it. So once it is installed, you will see Web. Let me see. Plugins, Manage. I want Quick Map Surfaces. And then let me reinstall it just for illustration. Close. Once I have done it, go down to Web, and you will see Quick Map Surface right here. Click OSM and OSM Standard. There you go. Once you have done this, you will see this OSM Standard. Let me rename it as OpenStreetMap. So you will see that appearing in your layers panel. If I just swap the order between Google Map and then OpenStreetMap, now you can see all the building footprints available from OpenStreetMap. You might be interested in comparing with the DA boundary that we looked at earlier on. So what are the houses? How many of them? Or what buildings are included in my DA or subject site DA? So pull the shapefile for DA and overlay it on the same map. Well, let me change the property so that I'm just looking at the boundaries of my DAs. Now you can see my DA for Bayville Village Shopping Mall contains not only the mall, but quite a number of almost like row houses in the same DA. So this will be a handy exercise for you to visualize your site and actually understand in our definition of neighborhood how many houses and buildings are actually included in it.